So I'm changing the thermostat on my 928. The thermostat is housed right here, and I have all these cables in the way. I'm just gonna work around them. First thing, we're gonna drain the system of any coolant. So we're gonna loosen the cap right over there. For this radiator, there is a drain plug, which is a 15 millimeter right there. Drain it into our bucket. We're gonna reuse the coolant, by the way. So I wanna make sure we have a clean bucket. And just gonna be squeezing this, making sure it's empty. There will still be some coolant when we take this out, but I'm gonna put some rags underneath to kind of catch whatever is left over. Still leaking out, so we'll give it some more time. The new thermostat is a Gates thermostat. And that's the part number. This one doesn't come with a new O-ring, so we'll use the one we have. I think we're finished draining. I'm gonna go ahead and get to those bolts. After removing the two 10 millimeter bolts, you simply pull this back just enough to get it out of the way, and therefore revealing the thermostat. So I'm just gonna pull this out. There it goes. Ooh. I'm gonna reuse this. So what we're doing is putting the thermostat in first, and then this is gonna go on to lock it in place. So put the thermostat in place. So there it is. The thermostat is in place. And then the rubber grommet goes around to seal it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in.